Hello, fourth grade. How are you? Today's lesson is about recycling. Recycling can save the earth. Lesson 2.8, page 34. Recycling, so as to know before we begin the lesson, is the التدوير إنه الواحد ياخذ الإشي ويستفيد منه مرة تانية. Can save the earth. تنقذ الأرض لما نستفيد من الأشياء. Recycling can save the earth. This is an introduction for our lesson. As you know and we took before, humans make a lot of waste. كتير الإنسان بكب أوساخ بطلع أوساخ. We throw away clothes that could be reused. نرمي الأواعي اللي ممكن نستفيد منها مرة تانية. reused إنه نستخدمها مرة تانية. A lot of waste is buried. تندفن تحت التربة بتتغطى بالتراب. This pollutes the soil and the groundwater. هاي الأشياء اللي بتنزل بالتربة وبتندفن ما بيستفيد منها الواحد الإنسان تلوث التربة والمياه اللي في باطن الأرض. Some materials can be recycled so they don't have to be buried. بعض المواد ممكن إنه تتدور إعادة التدوير الاستفادة منها مرة تانية عشان ما تنطمر تحت التربة. This is the sign of recycling. So as to see, I want you to know how they make a compost heap. كيف بيعملوا كومة من السماد. You use for this activity plastic gloves, leaves أوراق شجر, plant stems سيقان الشجر, apple core تفاحة لب التفاحة, and a plastic bag or jar with a lid. كيس نايلون أو مطربان زجاجي مع غطاته. This activity is page 35, 2.8. How to make a compost heap, which is كومة من السماد. Earth is full of garbage. الكرة الأرضية ملانة أوساخ. Look here at this picture. What is recycling? You can see R-E, R-E, R-E. Reduce, reuse, recycle. reduce يعني يقلل استهلاك الأشياء أو التلوث. التقليل تنقيص إنقاص. reuse الاستخدام مرة أخرى. recycle التدوير. So what is recycling? Repeat after me. R reduce الإنقاص الاختزال التقليل. reuse repeat reuse recycle. So again repeat after me. reuse, reduce, recycle. Repeat them. reuse, reduce, recycle. reduce means إيش يعني reduce؟ قلنا الإقلال من الإنقاص. decreasing unnecessary and wasteful purchases. نقلل أي إشي ما بدنا إياه والإشياء الضارة المفيدة الأوساخ أو الاستهلاك أي إشي ما له داعي unnecessary غير ضروري لا داعي له التقليل من استخدامه. decreasing the volume of waste تقليل كمية الأوساخ أو حجمها أو كميتها. decreasing pollutants تقليل المواد الملوثة. أي إشي بلوث we have to decrease. So reduce means decreasing, decreasing, decreasing the pollutants, the volume of waste, and the unnecessary and wasteful purchases. reuse reuse مين بتذكر شو قلنا يعني reuse؟ reuse means اللي هو الاستخدام مرة أخرى. look here reuse reuse center it's a center to reuse the things. Taking care of our stuff. repurposing, donating, upcycling. يعني مختصر reuse إنه ندير بالنا على المواد اللي بنستعملها، تقليل الاستهلاك، نتبرع بالأشياء، ما نكبها، نتبرع بها لناس تانيين، وإعادة التدوير. recycling benefits. إيش بنستفيد من التدوير؟ It benefits you and me, the whole society and the environment. So the recycling benefits you, the society and the environment. البيئة بتفيدك أنت وأنا وكل شخص اللي إحنا بنكون المجتمع, the society, and it benefits the environment. We will live in clean environment. Financial benefits. في إلها فائدة مادية. financial مالية أو مادية. في منها إدخال مصاري بيستفيدوا. make money selling recyclables. إنه نستفيد من الأشياء نبيعها اللي تدورت منبيعها. financial هي فائدة مادية. look here, they make money selling the things that have been recycled. Recycling helps protect the environment. As we said before, it helps you, it helps the society, it helps the environment. How it helps the environment? Let us see. It reduces, notice, recycling, reduce contamination risk from landfills. بتقلل نسبة التلوث من المكبات، محل ما الناس بتكب النفايات، مكب النفايات. reduce pollution كمان بتقلل التلوث. Here, this is a clean environment. So the recycling helps to protect the environment. Recycling is a way of life. هي عادة من التعويدات للإنسان، إنه الإنسان يتعود إنه يعمل recycling. Look here at these boxes. You have like these boxes in page 34 for recycling glass, papers, plastic, general waste. Once you make the choice to recycle, إذا أنت قررت باختيارك بحياتك العادية اليومية إنك تعمل تدوير وتستفيد من الأشياء and stick to that choice every day. كل يوم في كل تصرف we do every day. If you make that choice to recycle, the recycling becomes the second nature. بتصير طبيعة تانية، حياتك التانية. It's a way of life. بتصير أسلوبك بالحياة. إيش ما تعمل، إيش ما تسوي، إيش ما تفكر، إيش ما تكب, you will think of recycling. So it will be a second nature, a way of life. In your book, page 34, there are 4 kinds of recycling: glass recycling, paper recycling, plastic recycling, and general waste. The glass waste is used to make glass bottles. بيعملوا منها أناني. Paper recycling waste paper goes to make newspaper. للجرايد. Plastic recycling تدوير المواد البلاستيكية. make new plastic things بيعملوا منها، بيعيدوا تدويرها وبيعملوا منها new plastic things. General waste بصورة عامة الأشياء الأوساخ العامة. This type of waste is buried and will pollute the soil and groundwater. زي ما حكينا قبل إنه هاي تنتمر بالتربة وبتلوث التربة والمياه اللي في باطن الأرض الجوفية. So the gardeners and farmers البستنجية والمزارعين recycle plant material by making compost heaps. شو بيعملوا المزارعين؟ بيعملوا تدوير للنباتات عن طريق صناعة السماد، أكوام من السماد. As you did in the previous activity. In the beginning of the video, I told you you can make a mini compost heap. How they do that? In the soil, there are microorganisms. في عنا كائنات دقيقة جدا جدا such as bacteria and other things which use the dead plant materials. هاي بتستهلك النباتات الميتة، بتاكلها، بتتغذى عليها as food. إذا بتاكلها وبتتغذى عليها. It uses the dead plant material as food. This is what we call rotting. هذا بصير اسمه التعفن. Rotting. Repeat. تعفن. So when plant material rots, لما تتعفن هذه النباتات, it will turn into compost which help plants to grow when is added to soil. هلا هاي النباتات اللي تعفنت وكانت انتمرت في باطن الأرض تتحول لكompost. This compost اللي هي قلنا سماد. هذا السماد بيساعد النباتات تنمو لما تنضاف للتربة. So when plant material rots, it turns into compost which helps plant to grow when is added to soil. لما نضيفه على التراب النبتة بتنمو أكتر. سماد بزيد الخصوبة. Composition of daily waste. This is a picture to let you see what is daily waste. Many things we have. Look at these: organic paper, plastic, metals, glasses. We throw every day many things. This is daily waste. الأوساخ اليومية every day. What can be recycled? إيش ممكن ندور؟ metal, aluminium, cotton, clothes, bottles, everything around us. Many things can be recycled so as to be used for another time. Watch this video to see how is recycling and how to make a compost.
Full-time kid with Maya. Hi, I'm Maya. Do you want to help out the planet? Everyone wants to help out the planet. You've probably recycled or turned off the faucet while brushing your teeth. Well, today I'm going to teach you how to keep garbage out of a landfill. Not all trash is garbage. Plant scraps, fruit or vegetable scraps, paper, or other organic material can be used to make compost. Compost is a great way to feed any hungry plants inside your garden. Compost is a home to many tiny little animals called bacteria. Bacteria help break down plants once you are done with them. For this project, you will need an empty 2-liter bottle, some dirt, not potting soil, plant scraps, shredded paper, a spray bottle, a pair of scissors, and a push pin. To build a composter, the first thing you need to do is rinse your bottle and take off any labels. Next, we have a grown-up cut the top of the bottle and, using a push pin, poke some holes on the bottom for drainage. Place the bottle on a plastic tray or plate and start adding the dirt, shredded paper, and some old leaves. Wet the base layer of items using a
You
spray
can do it
bottle.
as I told
don't
you
want to
before.
drown it.
Activity
We just want to get them a
2.8,
little
page
wet.
35.
Make sure to keep your composter inside a plastic
It's
tray or
easy.
plate so it
Everything
doesn't
is
leak.
found near you.
Now, add the fresher items like vegetables, scraps of food, grass, or eggshells. Once that's all in there, we place the composter in an area where it'll get some nice sunlight. You could place the cut-off bottle top upside down like this on top of your composter, and this will act as a funnel when you are watering. Each day you want to add water and stir around the contents so the bacteria can find some new food. When not in use, place a kitchen towel over the composter.
You close it.
As the days go on, the bacteria will start to help the fresher items decompose, and all the items will eventually turn into
البكتيريا راح
compost.
تتغذى عليهم.
Feel free to add items as the days go on, but remember that it will take time for new items to decompose, so be patient.
مش
When the
بنفس
food
اليوم
looks ready,
بيحصل الإشي
take it
بده
outside
أيام.
and feed to your garden. And there you have just made some healthy snacks for your garden. Okay, that's our show. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Now it's your turn. دورنا نعمل recycling. Let's all recycle today. Let's all recycle today. Thank you and please recycle. Bye bye.